Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while, but I've posted a video to say what's the reason. Thank you so much for visiting. I've done before a video how to do your own highlights, and this highlights balayage root smudge. I've done it 5 months ago, so I have not touched my roots at all. And today I thought I'm going to do a quick video tutorial of how to do just to frame your face with highlights, because I start getting some gray hair, and then just few highlights on the parting, and then I will do again a root smudge, and hopefully it goes well. I have like 45 minutes before my client comes, and then I'll start doing some foils for her, so I thought I'm gonna use that opportunity. So first I'm just going to frame. I'm gonna do the front, because when I put my hair up, I want to have a little bit more blonde. And as you can see, my scalp again is very dry, and yeah, it's not fun at all, but that's what it is. And yeah, so I'm not gonna be so precise with the highlights, because I want them a bit chunkier, because I'm going to do the root smudge. I really like the effect last time from that, because like I said, I have not touched my roots for 5 months, and it's been really good for me. So let's just put a few foils in, and then we leave it to develop. I don't have to be so precise, because like I said, I will do root smudge after that. I've just done a video of how to mix the bleach Vario, Schwarzkopf Vario, because I have a video tutorial of how to mix Blonde Me, and now someone asked me to mix the Vario, so this is the mix. And if you want to see how I've mixed it, just watch my video tutorial. Okay, I didn't lock the foil, but that's okay. It's not gonna bleed. So one foil down, then I'll do one here, because I wanted to have it at the front. Okay, so I've done one in the middle and two on the sides, and that's how it's framed. And then I'll just spread a little bit on, like I'll leave one piece here. Actually I need it on the parting, so what I'm going to do, I'll just do one diagonal like that, just here, so it looks like more like balayage. So I'll do a weave here, Okay, one like that. Then I'll do on the other side. I want to make sure they're a bit they're even. Okay, two sides ready. Now we're gonna put the next one. Okay, and then on the other side. Okay, I've done the left side. Now my parting is on the right side, so the right side is half done. I'll just continue doing some more bits. I think I'll put a few more foils and that's it, but I have to make sure the parting in the front bit is done properly. Okay guys, so I'm done, and I think I've put like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 around 15 16 foils. So that's gonna be for today. That's how I refresh my balayage, and let's see what the result will be. If the highlights blend nicely with the rest of the color, then I will probably leave the root smudge or the top or whatever we call it for later on, so I don't have to do the whole process at the same time, because it's gonna take me a while and I do have to do my client's hair as well. So I will let you know. I'll wait like that for probably 30 minutes because my hair is quite dark, and once I rinse it off I will show you how it looks like. And then yeah, and then if I need to do a root smudge, I will show you in another video what colors I'm using and what is going to be the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel because there will be a lot of videos coming. I know I don't post regularly, but that's due to my busy schedule, and a lot of things are happening at the moment, and I will try to do more videos, but I want, when I do videos, to do them to do quality videos, not just for the quantity. And that's how I work as well with in the salon. I work for quality, not for quantity. Hey guys, so I've done my highlights, and I don't have the patience to do my root smudge, so I'll do another video with the root smudge. I haven't put even any toner on my highlights, only 15 highlights foils I've put, and as you can see, that's why I need the root smudge. But for now I can go like that for like few days, but my front now, my face framing is much lighter, and my grays are now blending, so I can't see my grays much, which is really good. So anyway, subscribe, and the next video coming will be with my root smudge, and then I will use a toner. So yeah, you have to see that what I'm using. See you next time. Bye.